Well, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 1st of September 2015. We're going to be looking at the euro dollar from the Forex major pairs, and of course once in what we were looking at as the Elliott wave analysis. Okay, but before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's go to the charts. We're on the monthly chart right now, and we've taken our wave count from the 17th of September 2000, and we're in the super cycle. That's the larger wave degree, and that is blue and in brackets, and it completed its wave 1 on the 30th of June 2008. So 8 years to complete that, and as you can see, there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it completed its wave 2 when it reached the correct level on this March the 12th. So you can see it's a significant time, 15 years in the making, and that's the super cycle blue in brackets. If we look at the monthly chart, we take our stochastics, a very simplistic kind of a tool. We can actually look and note that the stochastics is in the oversold area, and we notice there's a kind of a crossover emerged. We can also see our awesome oscillator from red, it's turning to green and slowly moving upwards towards the zero line. Now we need to of course move down to a smaller chart, but if we're going to take that right now, we're in the second wave of the super cycle. Let's just look a little bit down of its substructures. Substructures are going to be the cycle degree, that's black and in Roman numbers. They can see 1, 2, 3. Now let's move down to the weekly chart. I'll move it skew with a little bit better for you. And you can see we're heading for a wave 3 for the cycle degree. That's what we've been aiming for a long position at some stage. Now we move down to the daily chart so we get a little bit better. And then the daily chart, as you've probably been following our posts of what our analysts have been doing, we've been looking for possible entries. So there's the wave 2 of, so we're in a wave 2. If we take it down up to the monthly, there's a wave 2 of the super cycle. We're a wave 2 of a cycle, right? And now the next degree down is the primary. That's red and in brackets. So currently we're in a wave 2. We need that to complete before we take our entries. We put our entries at various levels which are very prone for a wave 2 to agree, and probably jumping the gun a little bit, projected a wave 3 up, and as it's going up we put our targets along the way. These red targets represent the red primary degree wave, and the black targets also represent the wave 3 of the cycle degree. So breaking it down now a little bit further, you can see that we're on a wave 3, sorry, a wave 2 of a primary degree, that's red and in brackets. Now we move down to a 4-hour chart, get a little bit understanding where we stand on this. So the next degree down is the intermediate, that's green and in brackets. There's the wave A, there's the wave B, and we're coming down for a wave C. That's going to be the killer wave C. We're waiting for that to come down. As you can see, probably wave B hasn't completed totally, as we're reading the indication from the awesome oscillator, and probably stochastics in midpoint. Probably could see a little bit more movement up, but the market can do what it wants to. So we're in mid territory right now for that. The pink lettering, that is the minor. wave, which is, we're going to be looking at it right now. So the pink is the minor degree, and as you can see, its high degree is the intermediate green in brackets, and the sub now is the minor pink, and we're looking for the wave down to come down. So what we're looking for, that wave, we're in a wave 2 of the minor degree, and we're waiting for the move to come down and then all the way down to finish its 5, and then we could enter. We could take an entry down here. This is true, there's nothing stopping us, but we're waiting for the bigger move up. So it's all about patience and discipline, traders. So just keep following our posts. We'll be putting our posts up accordingly. And this is off the main count. We have an alternative count as well, and we can give that to you later on. Okay, so I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.